Hello everyone, myself Vaishnavi, studying in 7th class. Today we are discussing the topic of what are saprotrophs from the subject of biology. What are saprotrophs? Saprotrophs means they are small like insects. They depend on dead and decaying matter. Not only small, big also. They depend on dead and decaying matter. For example, this thing it is a bread mold. Think it is a bread mold. Keep it in a room for 3 to 4 days or 4 to 5 days. Then it become mold. It become mold. Why? Because saprotrophs come and release some bacteria. It is already decaying now. Then saprotrophs means what are saprotrophs? They depend on dead and decaying matter. So this is already decayed when it is in the room only. Then saprotrophs release bacteria on that, and with the help of that bacteria, they take the nutrients of the bread. So the bread is molded. When the bread is molded, when they collect nutrients from the bread, who collect? Saprotrophs collect. What are saprotrophs? I will say you. Mushrooms. For example, mushrooms. What are mushrooms? They depend on dead and decaying matter. See, if there is a wood which is decayed, then on that one mushroom will come. One mushroom will come. Why? Because it is already decayed now. Mushroom is a saprotrophs. So then the decaying wood is decayed now. Then the mushrooms form on that. Not only one mushroom, so many mushrooms form on that. So like that, not only bread mold, not only mushrooms, saprotrophs are so many. Saprotrophs are also called the green cleaners of India. Why they call the green cleaners of India? Because, why? See, dead bodies. Saprotrophs will not take the nutrients from the bodies, means the bodies will not decay now. Then the earth is full of bodies. When the saprotrophs come and release bacteria on that body and take the nutrients, then that body is decayed and decomposed in the soil. Then the nitrogen come out. Okay. The dead bodies. So the saprotrophs are called the green cleaners of India. I think you understand this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share this video to your friends and classmates.